Hello everybody, I'm back here with Dmitriy Setrakyan, co-founder of GridGain, to ask him a few more questions. Hi Dmitry, so why should users care about Apache Ignite? What makes Apache Ignite so special?
Sure, Max. There are actually quite a few reasons. First and foremost, Ignite is lightning fast and has virtually unlimited scale. There are some known deployments out there of Ignite code base that have over 1,000 nodes in the cluster. Also, as I already mentioned, Ignite has a fairly rich feature set. From the get-go, one of our main goals was to make Ignite a one-stop solution for most of the in-memory computing use cases, including high loads of transactions, high transaction workloads, real-time analytics, and even the new emerging transactional/analytical workloads as well. But despite the breadth of the functionality that Ignite provides, it actually is very easy to use. Usability is probably one of the main focuses we have in the product. And the installation is actually very simple. You download a zip archive, unzip it, and you're ready to go. The project only brings one mandatory dependency, which is Ignite core.jar, which you can import into your project, and you can start using Ignite. But you can also bring other optional dependencies on a la carte basis. For example, if you want to integrate with Spring configuration, you can bring Spring dependency, or with Log4j, you can bring Log4j dependency. But those are optional dependencies. The project is fully Mavenized, so you can actually, there are about over a dozen of Maven components, individual Maven artifacts, that you can import into your project in any combination. And Ignite is also based on standard Java data structures and standard Java APIs. For example, for our data grid component, we have implemented the new JCache standard based on GSR 107. But one of the cool features I probably should mention is our automatic integration with RDBMS systems. Essentially, what Ignite can do is to inspect your database schema and automatically generate a domain model and all the integration code that has to go with it. So you can actually automatically persist and read data to and from the underlying RDBMS, which is a fairly cool feature, and it's probably cool to check out.
So Dmitry, what can you tell us about the Apache Ignite community, and how can developers get started with Apache Ignite?
Well, the project already has a pretty healthy community, even though we were in the Apache only for 4 months so far. We always welcome community contributions. If you'd like to contribute or get familiar with Apache Ignite, I would strongly suggest that you sign up to our dev list. We handle a lot of discussions on our dev list, and you may actually even find some pretty cool coding examples being discussed there. So even if you don't want to contribute, you still may actually find it worthwhile to just sign up for the dev list and just watch what's going on. Another way to actually get familiar with the project is to look at our source code. You can actually download our source from the Git repository and take a look at our APIs and how they're implemented. And the project also ships with quite a rich set of examples, so they're also probably would be kind of cool to check out.
Well, thank you, Dmitry, for taking out the time of your busy day. We really appreciate it, and thanks for that great overview of Apache Ignite.
Sure, my pleasure.